Hey, Tanya, really just powerful, powerful body of work here. I just want to go through them. So, because I see the timeline, you know. Really, really strong body of work. I mean, I'm moved, you know, in this very, like in a part of me that's not terribly, or not often moved. I'm moved. So I just wanted to speak to the success of you. You know, you did it. You tried to do a very subtle and complex thing. You tried to get your viewer to reflect, or in my case, realize that they just don't have the emotional energy to do it right now because they've got to get through all the assignments and grade. But were I in a gallery and looking at these and I had some emotional space around me, I would reflect. So that being said, you know, for this class, we required that you have 8 shots. You've got 9. And if you are going to, you know, print these out for a portfolio that you want to keep, of course, you've got a little bit of redundancy here. So you've got 2 balloon shots, so you could probably just pick one of these. And you've got these 2 shots are reading very similarly, so you could pick one of these. My money's on this one. I just love it. I love how this is just pushed straight to the side. And then that's it. I mean, I would just, you know, with your first 4 shots, pick whatever you think are your 2 strongest out of each set. Out of this set, 1, 2, and out of this set, 1, 2. Pick your 2 strongest out of each of those sets, or your 1 strongest out of each of those sets. And then bam, you've got a very strong 7-image set that you can print out and put in a portfolio and keep and include your statement. Is that up here? I don't know. I mean, I read it, but so print out your statement, keep it with it, keep it together, and keep this. You know, if you go to you know, SPE or something, you know, one of those big conferences, you would want to take this with you for sure. Okay, awesome work, man. Really, really fantastic experimental work for you. So good. You know, and when you get into the studio lighting course, you're given the opportunity to do a, well, everybody has to do a final project. However, you have a choice. You can do an advertisement campaign, or you can do an editorial campaign. And what you have here is a very strong editorial campaign. So keep this, you know, keep it. So when you take that class, you can refer back to it, and then you can grow from this point. Like, you don't have to start from scratch. When you get into that class, you can actually say to your instructor, you can give them a link to it or whatever, and say, hey, I already did this, you know, and I want to improve on this. Not necessarily the same topic, but just, you know, say, like, this is the one editorial campaign I've done, and I'd like to do something beyond this, you know. Because grow, right? Really fantastic job, Tanya. Great work. Thank you so much.